welcome to the broadcast.
Oh my god, I fucking love this. Oh my god.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. We are back out here at OSW, and yeah, we are doing a private day today, so there's not going to be a lot of us. There's about 12 cars out here, ranging from beginners I've never been here to more advanced people, and yeah, we are going to have a good time today. We're doing a little bit of barbecue, chilling, and we are trying to figure out a course layout. So what we did so far was put some cones over here, did 2 big circles, and then we have a cone set up here. And we're gonna do a layout called like a modified kidney, where you come down the wall, you enter right here, you go around, you do a small manji, back around, and then shoot diagonally back around to the first sweeper, and then exit here. I think that's gonna be a pretty good layout, mostly because we have a lot of beginners out here, so that way they can practice their figure eights, they can do big circles, do whatever they need to work on, and then for like me and a couple of my friends that are tandeming, we can still use this as a tandem layout. So I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Forgot to mention, yeah, we got barbecue out here too. Look at all that good food. Ooh, what do we have here? 3 Type X 240s. Oh my gosh. I can't tell which one's my favorite. The red one's lowest, but that silver one's nice. Put in the comments below, which one would you pick? The red one, the gray one, or the silver one? For me, I'd have to say probably the silver. I love this thing. This kind of makes me want to get a 240. Not to drift, but maybe to stance. These are beautiful. Do a wheelie! The cars or you? That's awesome. That is so cool. How hard is it to fly those things?
Flying in general is not too bad, but all the cars definitely take some practice.
That's awesome, man. That's a talent all in itself. Runs out there. We got some good tandem runs. The layout seems to be working pretty well. I mean, you got some beginners out here that's like utilizing the big donut areas. But yeah, it's a pretty good layout. We did make our own layout, as you saw earlier, just for a minute to do something just a little bit different. But one of our sets of tires is gone. We have to switch out to another set. We did put ourselves up a like little water pool, so that way we can see, you know, splash the tires, cool them down. All that awesome drone footage though, coming from this guy right here. Hey, that's his awesome flying skills. But we're gonna ride with Grant. This is Street Freaks, as you guys probably knew him, but now Sketchy made. And this is his badass 350Z. This is like what I want my street one to look like, just like this. I love this thing, man. You ready to send this shit?
Let's go.
Let's do it, man. You ready, bro?
Ready as ever, man.
Dude, I like this, man. I like how you have your water temp here.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah, that was awesome, man. It's a really breezy day out here. You enjoying it? Dude, it's so much fun.
It was hot in the beginning, like when we first got here, it was really hot.
Yeah, it started to cool down. It looks like we're starting to get some rain clouds, so maybe it's gonna rain. But it feels nice now. Cars ain't gonna overheat like they were. Alright, we gotta change tires. So these are totally, no, I've got it. These are totally burnt out, so I'm gonna jack it up, change them. There's like a tiny bit of life on that one, but this one over here is down to wire. So yeah, they're done. Let's change them out. See, there's all the tires. We've been taking so many passengers today. Everyone's loving it. We got Max Speed Mike getting in here.
Dude, I haven't been in a cage car in a while.
You've never been in a cage car?
No, I have. Just not in a while.
You've never been in a cage car like this though?
No, probably not.
Go ahead, strap in and I'll get you your camera.
This is the man behind all of the awesome car reviews. Check him out at Max Speed on YouTube. Now, we get to take him for a ride instead of him taking everyone else for one. You ready for this?
I'm not really sure what to expect, but yeah, I'm ready.
From everyone's opinion. What does everyone think? You loved it, right?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Pretty damn good.
I mean, your drone flying is pretty much better than my driving, so. Dude, it's awesome. You loved it, so you've never been in a drift car, so.
Except for last weekend, but I was on the street.
Hell yeah, man.
I got Coke at home. Huh?
You got Coke?
What?
All right, guys, that is gonna do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. It has been tons of fun out here. Big shout out to Orlando Drift for putting this all together. It was absolutely amazing, and I can't thank them enough for it. So we're all loading up. We're getting out of here. There's a little bit of rain on the ground, and yeah, we're gonna head on home. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.